Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're gonna see how even you can fix any iPhone stuck on Apple logo. So without a further ado, let's roll the video. It may happen that while you're updating your iPhone to the latest software update, the iPhone might get stuck on Apple logo. And when there's no way around to bring the device back to life, then you should make use of the Fix Go software by iTunes Lab. We're quite a known name for making easy to use and efficient softwares that provide effective solutions to the problems related to iOS, iPadOS, and tvOS. And talking about the software itself, the Fix Go software is a really efficient tool that has been built to fix more than 200 software-related problems easily and quickly. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once you install and run the software, that's how the homepage will look like. Really very clean and minimal. Next up, go ahead by connecting the device to the PC so that the software recognizes it. In this video, we're gonna try fixing the problem using the standard mode, as it fixes the problem without any sort of data loss. And in case the standard mode fails to fix the problem, you can make use of the advanced mode as well, that can fix crucial problems easily but will factory reset the connected device. To start with it, from the homepage, click on standard mode. Next up, tap Fix Now. Tapping that will let the software provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. Just after the firmware package has been downloaded, tap on Fix Now to let the software immediately begin the process of repair. And in a matter of few minutes, the software will be done fixing the problem and the connected device will restart. And that's it. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.